Hello everyone, today in the spirit of Halloween we're gonna make some scary, spooky macarons. I'm not the best cook around, I've never really made anything, still I'm gonna try and make the most difficult cookies in existence. Now, the ingredients. Wheat flour. Yeah, I know I'm supposed to use almond flour, but I'm not. Trust me, it's gonna work just fine. You don't need almonds. Sugar. It's just sugar. Powdered sugar. Powdered is a long word, it didn't fit, so I just wrote the number 2 on the side. Almond extract, so we still get some of the almond taste. And lastly, 2 whole eggs. Well, actually just the whites, but egg whites smeared all over the counter wouldn't look all that appealing. First, we don't need the large bowl, just kill it off. Bring out a tiny bowl, put your flour in, then you get your old sugar dry. But mine has been open for probably a year now, so it's a bit crunchy. You know, just break it somehow, smash it on the counter, use your kitchen hammer. Okay, we're done. So bring back your bigger bowl from before. Now for the eggs. Remember, you only need the egg whites. So be really careful not to... Oh. Alright, okay. Just get it out somehow. Well, maybe not with the shell. Okay, great. I'm sure I'm gonna die from some disease now, like Zika or AIDS. Just get a spoon. Fuck. Now do the same thing again, just not exactly the same. Okay, so this next part is awful and tedious, and I don't recommend anyone to do this. Maybe invite a friend over, make them do some free labor. You know, you can give them one of your gay cookies you're making at the end. Just don't do it yourself, no. Whatever, you see what's happening, get out the machine, whisk it till it looks like pink spray foam. Oh yeah, pink, because I also put in some red food color. You can work with green if that's your thing, or brown, but then your macarons will look like tiny turd pieces. Again, if that's your thing, I'm not gonna judge. So anyway, when it's nice and all that, mix it extremely carefully with the flour sugar mix. Just really slow, don't even mix it, just fold it, like origami. When you're done with that part, grab a big ass jug and a bag. I have this sturdy Swedish zip bag, but anything will do. Now, put your pasta in there, cut a hole at the end. Voila! Now you can make the macaron tops. Try to make them as smooth looking as possible. Now you see, geometry is not really a thing to worry about. That takes the soul out of your gay cookies, you know. Obviously you don't want that. When you're done, lift your baking sheet, slam it against the counter a few times. Actually I have no idea what it does, but everyone does it, so it must be important. Now we're gonna put the little pink macarons for 15 minutes in the preheated oven. I forgot to tell you about preheating the oven, right? Now comes the filling. Whipped cream. Classy, I know. Powdered sugar. Cream cheese. Alla mascarpone, as the Italians call it. And some vanilla extract. Grab another big bowl. Put in the mascarpone and basically everything else. And mix it well. You don't have to be as gentle as before, so just give out all your frustration about me not telling you to preheat the oven. My little macarons should be done now, so check them out. Oh. Oh no. Some of them look good. Well, not that one. So you grab one, put some cream between two pieces. I mean, that's easy. Ooh, here's a spooky one. Okay, here's some more spooky ones. School. Dead meme. Responsibility. Nothing scarier than that. Well, maybe taxes. Ooh, here's a really spooky one. He's called Cash. You guys go figure it out. He's sort of an anti-hero type. And lastly, it's our little sad boy. I feel like he summarizes the whole experience. Well, thank you all for watching. That's all for today. I'll definitely cook some more difficult stuff. So if you would like to see me suffer, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. You know what's scary? A pickle macaron. It's a pickle on a macaron. Well, no, that's actually just disgusting.